Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, I will show you how to check DMs on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, you'll see your home feed with posts from people you follow. Step 2. Tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a paper airplane. This is your gateway to all your direct messages. If you've received any new messages, you'll see a small notification badge on the icon. Step 3. Once you tap the message icon, you'll be taken to your message history. Here, you'll see all your conversations listed, with the newest messages at the top and older ones below. Scroll through to find the conversation you're looking for. Step 4. Tap on any conversation to open it. Inside, you can read the messages, respond to them, or even send new ones. You can also share photos, videos, stories, reels, or posts directly from this screen. Just tap the camera icon or the plus sign to explore these options. Step 5. If you don't see a message you were expecting, don't worry. Tap on Requests at the top right corner of the Messages screen. This is where you'll find message requests or hidden messages from people you don't follow. You can review these messages and decide whether to accept or decline them. That's it. You're now ready to check and manage your Instagram DMs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.